I met my birth mother when I must have been only about, I think I could have been about 2. I went to a HSC building, but I remember that real anxiety in my chest of like not knowing what was going to happen, you know, and that anxiety, you know, you don't know whether like, are you going to be taken off your foster parents, you know, that anxiety, what's going to happen, like just all that fear of not knowing what was going to happen. So I would have seen my mum like over the years, like in like family occasions and stuff like that, but I remember having a conversation with my birth mum in my 20s, and I remember her telling me you know, that we were just talking about my life growing up in foster care, and I remember her telling me that you know, she knew that I had self-harm, she knew that I was in trouble in school, she knew so much information about me where I would have known quite little information about her. It was all, I was always told by social workers kind of, oh, you know, we'll get back to your need to know basis and things like that, and where I was actually quite shocked the fact that my birth mother seemed to be so much involved in my life. The same with my birth father as well. I would have seen you know, a good bit of my birth father over the years. He would have came out to visit us, but my birth parents seemed to have a lot more rights than my foster parents had. From what I've been told, you know, my foster parents told me like that they would have had to get permission off my birth parents, like if I needed to get an eye operation, if I wanted to go abroad, if I wanted to go to Irish college and that. And I remember that caused so much issues with my mum and dad, because I never really felt secure or safe, where like I used to get really upset with my mum and dad, because I would be like, when is the social worker coming? When's the social going to ring? Am I allowed to go to this? Can I do this? And like, I never felt safe or secure in my foster home. And I was always, mum and dad, like I felt really jealous because their birth siblings could do everything that I couldn't do. And I noticed, like, I did a bit of fostering myself, and I noticed like the foster parents, that we don't really have a lot of rights over their children, even though foster parents are rearing these children 24/7, and it causes so much anxiety in placement, because it causes so much conflict, because the foster parents have very little rights.